Ever wondered if there was a way to get paid back instantly by your friends without any of the awkwardness of asking for their bank details? You know, for splitting that dinner bill or getting your share of the rent. Well, there is, and it's called Zelle. Receiving money with Zelle is fast, safe, and incredibly simple. In fact, if you're already enrolled, you don't have to do anything at all. The money will just show up in your account within minutes. But what if you're new to Zelle, or someone is sending you money for the first time? Don't worry, it's just as easy. Step 1 is to get a text or email from Zelle notifying you that someone has sent you money. This notification will include a link. Click on that link and it will take you to a page where you can enroll. Now for the important part, you need to enroll with the same email address or US mobile phone number that the sender used. This is how Zelle knows the money is for you. Follow the prompts to set up your profile and link your eligible US checking or savings account. Once you're all set up, the money will be deposited directly into your bank account and you will be officially enrolled. From that point on, any future payments sent to that enrolled email or phone number will land directly in your account. You won't have to do a thing. Just a few quick things to remember. Zelle is designed for sending money to people you know and trust. Always double-check the sender's details before accepting a payment. And if your bank already has Zelle in its mobile app, that's the best way to use it, as it's typically a seamless experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.